Hey there, welcome back to another informative video. So if you are a new YouTuber or existing YouTuber and want to know how you can create a professional looking thumbnail within minutes and do that on a mobile, then this is the right video for you. After watching this video, you will be pro in thumbnail making. So let's start the video. But before that, if you are new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe because we are close to 1K community. So let's start the video. So first, here I have downloaded the app that's called Canva. So install this app, that is Canva, and it will help you in creating thumbnail. So after opening the app, you will see different types of templates here. So if you scroll right, then here you can see one option that says YouTube thumbnail. Just click on that and open it. And here you can see hundreds of thumbnail which is professionally made, and you can just click on it and edit according to your liking and according to your videos. You can just scroll down and choose the thumbnail which best fits for you. Now for example, here I am selecting this thumbnail. Just click on the thumbnail which you want to edit. Now you are free to edit according to your liking and according to your will based on your thumbnail choice. Also click on this plus icon below and go to elements option, and you'll find different elements to use to your thumbnails which are professional looking. Just search for the item which you want to add to your thumbnail and you are good to go. And that's how you can create professional looking thumbnails within minutes for your YouTube videos easily. I hope this video was helpful for you. Make sure to subscribe and give a like. I'll meet you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.